Welcome to the Superwoman Super Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and Purple Club. This is the 6th episode, and we have Ms. Boni Rajesh from Nasik. She lives in Trivandrum. At the moment, she's in Zoom from Nasik. And again, welcome back to Anu. Anu is a student from IHM College, Kovalam, and at the moment she's in Tirupur. Welcome to the show, both the ladies.
Thank you so much, Raja.
Okay, Anuji, you have been doing some shows again and again, right? Did you come up with something innovative and new again?
Yes, sir. After that show, I was encouraged to do many dishes.
Okay.
And I have come with cauliflower pradhaman, and I have found many new dishes.
Okay, very good. You're recording all the recipes and all. You're writing everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Boniji, what do you do actually? Where are you from?
I'm originally from Kerala, but I am married to a naval officer. So presently we are posted in a place called Nasik, Maharashtra. By profession, I am a college lecturer, and presently I'm not working, but I have bifurcated my interest to baking and cooking since I'm not working. And as of now, presently I'm a homemaker.
Wow. So cooking is a part of your passion? How is it a part of your passion?
Actually, baking is more of my passion. Cooking happens at the same time because I've got kids with voracious appetites, and so is a husband who comes back after sailing and all those things, or 6 months on sea, or maybe even 3 months on sea. So yes, cooking has been part and parcel of my life, but baking has been my passion all the while.
Wow, very nice. So how's Nasik treating you?
Nasik has been nice, yes, it's a beautiful place. We are located in a small township called as the HAL, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Township, and we've been here for the past 2 years and we're loving every bit of it.
It's a beautiful place because when compared to Bombay, it is definitely a very beautiful place.
It's beautiful, it's calm, serene and green.
Thank you. Anu, how's your online classes happening now? The college is not on, so your online classes are happening now?
Yes, sir. It is happening very good, and including test, homework, and everything is happening there.
Okay. I heard that recently because some activities that they're showing during the lockdown activities of the students, I heard your show came in and all that someone was selling.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It is in our website, IHM website.
It is there. So did people appreciate you for what you've done?
Yes, sir. My professors, friends, everyone was appreciating, and they are supporting me.
Good. So, Boniji, this is a very special show which is called Superwoman Super Chef, and here we try to get people who are not necessary to be a very good chefs and all that, but also the amateurs who can come and join us. Just motivating the woman to be part of the show, and we maybe what happens is when we show this kind of the last episode, for example, we had 2 women all the way from Sydney. So when we shown, so they have seen our show through someone else, and then they got motivated and they joined the show. So happy to have both of you here today again. What are you going to do, Boniji, today?
Today I'll be presenting a very simple dish called as a garlic chicken. In fact, it's very close to my heart because it is one of the first dishes that my mother-in-law had taught me. And it can be prepared with just 20 minutes and with the absolute minimal of your ingredients, with whatever ingredients is available at your kitchen. And it's an absolute favorite with my kids, so I'm sure everybody would love it too.
I'm sure, because is it more of it with fried rice, or even with the plain rice it goes well?
You can have it with chapati, you can have it with rice, with curd rice. My kids love it with some curd rice.
Okay. And this is your own recipe, or maybe you felt that when you went to some hotels, you liked it, you understood the recipe, you made it, or your own recipe?
Actually, the history behind this recipe is quite interesting. My mother-in-law had introduced this garlic chicken to me, because generally the garlic chicken that you see in the restaurants and in the hotels are generally deep fried, has got a coating and all this thing, but this is absolutely not deep fried. It's made with just 1 tablespoon of oil, and like I said, with just about 3 to 4 ingredients, which includes chicken, and it can be cooked in a jiffy. So That's why it's special to us.
Fine, very nice. And because always homemade is definitely to be, it definitely will be far different from the hotel. And again, in the hotel you have this frozen chicken and all that. But I think when you make it home, Anu, what are you going to do today?
Yes. I'm going to prepare apple Mysore pak.
And
Mysore pak is a traditional dish. I'm going to give it a small fusion to it, like adding apple. Everyone in my family loves it.
okay, and but you boil the apple and do add on, or you just without?
No, sir. I just grate it and I will add it
Oh, fine.
last.
But actually, it does not have the different texture, because when you boil it normally for apple pie, when we do, we have this, the apple has been steamed actually, so that makes it more easier to make. So you don't steam it, you directly make it, right?
I will grate it very well and I will add it at last. With
Okay.
that heat, it will boil.
So there's no basin added on to the Mysore pak at all.
Yes, only 4 ingredients like besan, ghee, sugar, and apple.
You add apple on the last after cooking the.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yes, apple is part of Mysore pak.
Fine. What made you to choose apple, not a banana or maybe a mango?
Yeah, I have tried with all of that mango, like banana. I have tried it with all, but it tastes good. It tastes unique, so I have chosen it.
Your parents do not object for spending so much of money on your experiments?
It all came good, so I got no scoldings from them.
Fine. I'm so happy because at this age, as I already told you last time also, at this age, you're so much self-motivated and, trying to get into the kitchen and doing an innovation. And that's most important, because many women do not like to go to the kitchen itself, it starts from my family itself. So at this age, you're motivated, and I think you should continue this spirit and keep moving on to your life. So we are going to see both Boni ji and also Anu coming out with very fabulous dish. I was very impressed the way Ms. Boni was talking about the garlic chicken, which is homemade garlic chicken. First time I am hearing, garlic chicken goes with the curd rice, something which I would like to definitely see. Something first time I'm hearing, but chapati, parathas, fried rice, noodles, yes, but then first time I'm hearing someone with curd rice with something, a great, information to me. Anu, I think again I would like to thank you for coming out with such innovative recipes, which will definitely make people to try it out. So it's a beautiful combo today of Boni and Anu. I'm sure the people who are going to see today's cookery show is going to really love it.
Hi, my name is Bonnie, and today I will be introducing you a dish that is a family's favorite of mine. It's called garlic chicken. Here are the ingredients: half a kg of chicken, salt as per taste, 10 cloves of crushed garlic, a few curry leaves, 1 large lemon, a few chopped dried red chili, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now, I'll be taking some coconut oil . 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, to this we add some crushed garlic, maintain the temperature at a medium heat. Once the garlic has slightly browned, add some curry leaves, a few dry red chilies, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Saute until the raw smell of the turmeric goes away. Now our masala is fried. Into this I am going to add our 500 grams of clean drained chicken. At this point, add a pinch of salt and a few curry leaves. Mix well so that the chicken is coated in the masala and the garlic. Chicken towards the center of the pan, and now let the chicken cook for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to cook the chicken for 20 minutes on a medium flame. Our 20 minutes is up. Now let's see how it looks. Wow. Sizzling, nice and brown. This is what we're looking at. If you want, you can leave it to cook a little bit more longer and get all the sides brown. My family likes it this way, so I'm going to leave it at it. Now, just before I turn off the fire, I'm going to take a wedge of lemon and squeeze a little bit of lemon onto it, and then turn off the stove. Before I plate it, I'd advise to cover it and keep it for 5 minutes so that all the masalas and flavor come into the chicken. This is up. Now let's check the chicken. Wow, this is the color that we're looking at, a slight brown, and all the chicken juices should have been evaporated by now. Our chicken looks good. Now just before removing it off from the pan, take a wedge of lime and squeeze it as per your choice and switch off the flame. Before you remove the chicken onto any serving plate, I suggest you close it and keep it for 5 minutes. So our garlic chicken is ready. This is how it would look after cooking. I have added a wedge of lime as garnish, a fresh green curry leaf, and a whole dry red chili. Hope you enjoy my dish. Thank you.
Namaskar, myself Anuvarshini. Happy to meet you all again, and thank you so much for your positive feedback. Today we are going to prepare apple Mysore pak. The ingredients are besan 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, ghee 1 cup, and apple. Let's move to the preparation. First we are going to grease the pan with ghee. Now we can start with the main preparation. First I am going to add 1 cup of sugar and water to dissolve. We have added water to make sugar syrup. The sugar syrup should be in one stick consistency. It is almost to the consistency. Now we are going to add our besan. We need to break the lumps in between. in another pan. I'm going to heat the ghee. Now I'm going to add ghee. And now it is time to add our VIP apple. I have taken around 1 cup of apple. Now it is starting to roll. So it is very near to the consistency. So throughout the process, the flame should be slim. The apple started to mingle to Mysore pak. Now it is in a consistency of soft Mysore pak. We are waiting for hard Mysore pak. It is started to roll. We can see it started giving edges here. At this stage, I am going to transfer it to mold. Now let it cool down for 30 minutes. Healthy and tasty apple Mysore pak is ready. Please try it in your home and send me your feedbacks.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show today is something very special to my heart. Lady all the way from Nasik and lady from Tirupur are in the show. And it's a very rare combination of if you can see the age difference also. One is very mature, a homemaker, and then you are very young girl who's a just budding chef, working in maybe studying in the college. So it's a very rare combination, and this show is going to be in my heart for many years to come. Boniji's garlic chicken was something very exclusive. What I have found today is because I'm sure many women seeing the show should learn from her, because this is something very exotic, I would like to say, because it have no unnecessary ingredients at all. This way also, it's very simple making. I will say that very simple, and someone can do something like this, because in many hotels or many places I've seen that, because when you say Chinese, the name because called garlic chicken, they feel Chinese. Why not? It can be in Indian. So like they say Chinese, so they try to add on to a lot of onions, spring onions, parsley leaves, whatever they can add on to tell people, yes, this is what is a Chinese dish, where your salt, pepper, Ajinomoto is added up, soya sauce, chili sauce, to tell people this is what is garlic chicken is all about. But then the way she has done it is amazing, and I'm sure this is going to be one of the best recipes in our show. Thank you, Boniji, for a wonderful garlic chicken.
Thank you so much, Raja.
Anu, again, as last time I think you have seen, because she had come down with if I'm not mistaken, this was something called spicy rasgullas, right?
Yeah. Yes,
okay.
sir. Right.
So spicy rasgullas was, Anu has done something again, was something very different. And what I found about her cooking is that more of fusion rather than giving traditional dishes. She's coming up with a lot of fusion. Younger generation definitely will love to try this out, because people want a change in the regular Mysore pak. Mysore pak itself is something very great, but adding on apple to it, so the flavor is totally different. So Anu, again, a very brilliant idea to come out with a beautiful Mysore pak with apple.
Thank you so much, sir.
Boniji, what do you feel about the show when you come in for the first time? Maybe have you done the show before with someone?
Oh, in fact, this is my first time on such a platform, and I'm really grateful to UTS Group and of course you, Raja, for coordinating this show. And it's been a wonderful experience. The entire interaction, the way it was being carried out, everything, it's been an absolute first. I mean, I've been an absolute first timer, and I think many more chefs would want to come on this beautiful show, and hopefully we'll get really good reviews.
Thank you very much. And also, like after the show, because after you both doing the show, I will be giving you a surprise because I'll be dedicating a small dish for both of you also after the show.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And Anu, how you felt this coming second time to the show?
Yeah, I'm very glad that I am participating for the second time, and I'm overjoyed to share my new dish. I'm thankful to my professor, my chef, and of course yourself, chef.
Thank you. And it was, as I said earlier, also this show is going to remain in my heart for years to come. Thank you very much for both the wonderful women to be part of the show. Thank you once again for all the viewers being part of the Superwoman Super Cookery Show. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Hi, welcome back to the Superwoman Super Chef Cookery Show by UDS Hotels and Purple Club. I'm sure you have seen how Boni Rajesh has done a fabulous garlic chicken, which was yummy, and I will say that it is very special to me because it does not have any kind of unnecessary ingredients. Very simple way she made. And of course, Anu, who has come back to our show the second time with a very innovative dish called Apple Mysore Pak. Both of them have done a wonderful job. So same day, when you think that you have the same caliber, you are a good chef or a good cook at home, please join us. Just write back to us at 9620-665566 or write down our CEO at udshotels.com where you can send your applications and talk to us and be with us for the show. So this, making a very simple dosas for them, I'm dedicating this today's food for Boni and Anu. So let's see how we make it. I have a dosa batter here, but this dosa batter is not a regular batter. I have added approximately around 120 ml of coconut water, not coconut water, I have coconut milk. So this batter is with the coconut milk. I have taken maybe 2 ladles of the regular dosa batter with 2 ladles of the coconut milk also. And then I have an ingredient which is basically very simple ingredient, which is made out of chopped onion, chopped green chili and chopped tomato. I just sauteed it and a little bit of boiled potato, nothing else, just salt and red chili powder. So that's a special masala made here. I do have fresh grated cheese here, and of course this is the egg yolk. So it's going to be I would say in Malayalam it's a mutta masala dosa, very simple way of doing it. Let's see how we make it. So to make sure my tawa is hot, I take this batter, and now I'm adding up this egg yolk. Yes, taking this masalas on the side. Of course, I'm using the white cooking butter here, not the regular butter. So that's something very special here. Salted butter, and of course, I'm adding a little bit of cheese. It's definitely going to be very yummy. The egg, it takes a little bit of time here. So that is the masala egg cheese dosa is ready, and that's dedicated for Boni and for Anu. So welcome. I would like to definitely welcome you back for our shows every Saturday, which is being around 4 p.m. We have this very special cookery show, especially for the woman, from the UDS Group of Hotels. So thank you very much. See you back again.